If you have the totally legitimate version of the Adobe suite that is newer than the 2018 version, whatever CS number that is, then you can display whatever the heck you're doing as your Discord status. And I'm going to show you. Obviously, I'm a tutorial person. Anyways, go to the first link in the description. Then you need to click on Discord RPC, the RAR one. It's usually the top one, but make sure it ends in .rar. Click on that bad boy and it will download a file. So when you do download this file, you will need to extract it. Now you need 7-zip, WinRAR, WinZip, ZipZip, boom boom, literally just anything that can open up compressed files. So just all you need to do for WinZip is right click on it, go to WinZip, and then click extract to Discord RPC, whatever. Just click on the option and extract it because you want it as a normal folder instead of a RAR file. Now once you have that, you'll have this Discord RPC folder. Inside of it should have all these contents. Go back and make sure you're on Discord RPC. You don't want discord.rpc.version whatever, you need just Discord RPC. You need to copy this folder, not the name, the whole folder. You need to copy it, go to your C drive, then go to Program Files x86, go to Common Files, then go to Adobe, then go to CEP, then extensions, and then you need to paste in the folder. So I paste it in, you need to have admin permissions, so press continue. It'll do all the fancy stuff and move the files. Whoa, slow down there. We need to actually open the registry editor so we can actually apply these changes. So don't leave right away. Press the Windows key and the R key, then it'll open up a run window and you need to type in regedit. That's it, just regedit. Then press yes on a thing that will pop up. Next up, we need to go to HKey current user. So click on HKey current user and expand that bad boy. Then you need to go to software. So I'm going to software, it's in all caps, really easy to find. Then you need to go to Adobe, so Adobe. Then you will see a CSX folder. Click on that bad boy. Then we need to create a new key. So we need to right click, new. Oh, not key, string value. Sorry, I'm getting a little too far ahead of myself. Then you need to name it as follows. PlayerDebugMode. So I can't really zoom in. It doesn't work that well. But it's just PlayerDebugMode. I'll have it in the description for your convenience because I'm a nice guy. Then click off of it to rename it. Now you want to double click on it and you want to change the value data to 1. Then press OK, and that's it, baby. I'm just kidding. You actually need to go to Discord first, and you need to make sure you have activity status enabled. So this is my normal Discord, and all you need to do is scroll down, ignore the better Discord settings here, and you need to make sure you have activity status enabled. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, aka any Discord RPC videos, you need to make sure to turn any of those RPC makers off. So if you have the Discord RPC maker application, you just need to close it. If you have the better Discord version, you need to go into plugins and turn it off. Now I'm in Photoshop and I opened up my favorite thumbnail I've ever made, hands down. And if you go to the window tab, then go to extensions and go to Discord Rich Presence, you should notice that you will get your rich presence popping up. Now, there is something I really do need to point out, and it's the fact that this will only apply to the account logged in on the Discord release version. So, for example, if you have Discord PTB or Discord Canary, those accounts will not be able to actually show the status. Only the account that is logged into normal Discord will get this status. So as you can see, it says no text-to-speech and it shows my status. And if I go into my Discord and go to my status, you can see that it now says playing a game, Photoshop, V1, danger, custom bots, 9 of 4. So it's showing you a lot of information, which is really cool. It also shows you which tool you're on. So if I go into Photoshop, drag it on the left, move this on the right, and just minimize this so it's a little bit easier to understand what's going on. If I go to the magic wand tool, and after a little bit of thinking, my Discord presence should update and show the magic wand tool. There we go, baby. If I change my layer to maybe something different, like backdoor surprise, right? I click on the layer. After a little bit of waiting, it should update backdoor surprise. It's pretty cool. Now let's say maybe there was a little too much information in your Discord status and you don't want a lot of people to know. For example, let's say you don't want them knowing your layer name, or maybe the file name is NDA and you can't share with anyone. Well, all you need to do is go into that plugin window thing. So Windows, Extensions, Discord Rich Presence, and you just need to enable or disable the detail state or time, depending on what you want. And that wraps up the installation portion of the video. If it worked, like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel even further, just turn off your ad blocker when you watch my videos. And if for some odd reason it didn't work out for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or join my Discord and put your issue in the help channel, and I will help you out as soon as I can. Now let's get on to the uninstall portion of the video. So let's say you want to get rid of this. Well, the easiest way of getting rid of it is actually just going back to your File Explorer and going to that Discord RPC folder and deleting it. Then once you restart Photoshop or any one of the Adobe applications and you go to Window Extensions, it should be gone. And with that, you don't really have to worry about the registry editor keys because it does nothing, it doesn't activate anything. Why did my audio sound so bad? And I can never figure it out. Have a fantastic night, sweetheart. I love you. Mwah!